Hello students, today we are going to study fourth lesson quadratic equations. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is, quadratic equation is always of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Quadratic equation means the degree of the equation should be equal to 2. Degree means highest power of the variable. Here the variable is x, highest power is 2. So it is called a quadratic equation. Okay. Based on that, we have to do the first exercise, that is exercise 4.1. First question, first one. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. We have to check whether the given equations are quadratic or not. If it is having degree 2, then it is a quadratic equation, otherwise it is not. Okay. Here, first one, x plus 1 the whole square equals 2 into x minus 3. First one, LHS, it is a plus b the whole square form. We know that a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now using that identity, here we have to expand, that is a square is same as x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1. 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus b square equal to 1. That is equal to, in RHS we have to open the bracket, 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now collecting like terms in LHS, x square only one term is there. Here plus 2x, when you take plus 2x to LHS, it will become minus 2x. Therefore, we can cancel plus 2x and plus 2x. Now, plus 1 minus 6 will become plus 6 in LHS. Therefore, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6 equal to 7. So, x square plus 7 equal to 0. So, it is having degree 2. Highest power of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation, or we can write the answer is yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Second question, x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. First we have to collect the like terms and we have to form an equation. For that, first x square only one term is there, minus 2x, it is same in LHS, equal to, in RHS we have to open the bracket. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus into minus it will become plus, 2 into x equal to 2x. Now collecting like terms in LHS, x square minus 2x, and this will become minus 2x in LHS, minus 2, that is minus 4x. Minus 6 will become plus 6, that is equal to 0. Now it is having degree 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Answer yes. Third question, x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Here it is x plus 1. X minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now, here we have to use the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x into plus ab. Now using that identity, we have to expand x minus 2 into x plus 1. First x square, it is same here, plus a plus b. A is minus 2 plus b is 1 into x plus ab. Ab is minus 2 into 1. That is equal to, in RHS also, x square plus a is minus 1 and b is plus 3 into x plus a into b. A into b is minus 1 into 3. Okay, minus 1 into 3. Now, this is equal to x square plus 2 minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1, after subtraction we get minus 1 into x. Plus 2 into minus 1, it will become minus 2 equal to x square Minus 1 plus 3. After subtraction, we get plus 2x. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Now x square and x square get cancels because when we take minus plus x square to LHS, it will become minus x square. Okay, x square and x square cancels. Now collecting like terms, we get minus 1x minus 2x. That is minus 3x. Now minus 2 plus 3. After subtraction, we get plus 1. That is equal to 0. Or changing sign throughout, we can write 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now it is a linear equation, isn't it? Its power is 1. Power 1 means it is a linear equation. But we have to check whether it is a quadratic or not. It is not a quadratic equation because degree is not 2 or the highest power is not 2. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Fourth question, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to x into x plus 5. Here there is no identities. First, we have to open the bracket. X into 2x plus 1. That is x into 2x is 2x square. X into plus 1 plus x. Minus 3 into 2x minus 6x. Minus 3 into plus 1 that is minus 3 equal to. Here also we have to open the bracket. X into x x square plus x into 5 is 5x. Now collecting like terms in LHS, 2x square minus x square. That is 1x square or we can write x square. Now 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 and when you take plus 5x to LHS it will become minus 5x. Minus 5 it is minus 10x. Now constant term only one term is there that is minus 3 equal to 0. Now it is having highest power 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. So answer is yes. It is a quadratic equation. Fifth question. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to x plus 5. Here it is plus 5. X plus 5 into x minus 1. Now opening the bracket 2x into x you get 2x square. 2x into minus 3 minus 6x. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus into minus will become plus 1 into 3 equal to 3. That is equal to here x into x or here we can apply the identity a plus b into x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b means x square plus a plus b into x that is 5 minus 1. A plus b is 5 minus 1, 5 plus minus 1 or you can write 5 minus 1 into x plus a into b that is 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1. That is 2x square. Here we can collect like terms minus 6 minus 1 that is minus 7x plus 3 equal to x square. 5 minus 1 it is plus 4x. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Now collecting like terms 2x square minus x square that is x square minus 7x minus 4x. Minus 7x minus 4x will become minus 11x. 3 plus 5 that is plus 8 equal to 0. So it is having highest power 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Answer yes. Sixth question, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole square. LHS it is already in expanded form that is x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to, here we have to apply a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square it is x square minus 2ab means 2 into x into 2 that is 2 into 2 4. 4 into x 4x plus b square that is 2 square equal to 4. Now x square and x square get cancels. Minus 3x minus 4x will become plus 4x. 3 plus 4 that is 7x plus 1 minus 4 that is minus 3 equal to 0. So it is a linear equation or it is not a quadratic equation. Answer is no, it is not a quadratic equation. Next, seventh question. x plus 2 the whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. X plus 2 the whole cube. Here we have to apply the identity, that is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the identity we have to use in LHS. So x plus 2 the whole cube. A cube, that is same as x cube, plus 3a square b. A square it is x square into b. B is 2. Plus 3a. A is x into b square. B square is 2 square. Plus b cube. B cube equal to 2 cube. Equal to, when you open the bracket in RHS, 2x into x square is 2x cube. 2x into minus 1, that is minus 2x. Now collecting like, or we can, here we can write x cube plus 3 into 2, that is 6x square. Here this will become 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12x plus 2 cube equal to 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now collecting like terms, x cube minus 2x cube. After subtraction we get minus 1x cube. 6x square, there is no other term having x square, therefore only 6x square is there, plus 12x, this will become plus 2x, that is 14x. 12 plus 2, 14. 14x. Now constant, it is 8 only, equal to 0. Now it is having power 3, and that is degree of this equation is 3, and this is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means degree is 2 or the highest power is 2. Okay. Sorry, here it is no. Answer is no, not a quadratic equation, not S. It is not a quadratic equation. 8th question. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. LHS it is same, that is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. In RHS, we have to use the identity a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, okay, plus 3ab square minus b cube. These two terms are minus 3a square b and minus b cube, okay. When you expand using this identity, RHS will become a cube, that is x cube, minus 3 into a square into b, that is x square into 2, x square into 2, plus 3ab square, 3 into a it is x into b square is 2 square, minus b cube is 2 cube, okay, minus b cube, that is equal to 2 cube. That is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 in LHS. RHS it is x cube. Now 3 into 2, that is minus 6x square. Now 2 square 4, 4 into 3 plus 12x minus 2 cube, it is minus 8. Now x cube and x cube cancels. After collecting like terms, minus 4x square plus 6x square. 6 minus 4, that is 2x square. Now collecting x terms, minus 1x minus 12x, that is minus 13x. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8, 9, that is equal to 0. That is after cancelling x cube term, we get a quadratic equation. It is having degree 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Answer S. Okay. Thank you.